That's a good indicator. If you're riding a corner and you have to jerk your nose out, you've gone too deep. If you're riding a corner and your horse missteps through the corner, you're probably too deep. All right, now, I want everyone to do a 20-meter circle at A. So you're going to ride a 10-meter to get to A. When you get to A, land is the first one, come off the left. Oh, much better. Touch the wall, come off the wall. Now, bump, bump, good. Make your turn deep across the center. Keep coming, Lana, keep coming, keep coming. Touch at Wister. Come off, touch at A. Wow. Does everybody see the difference? Let's try it. Let's get in the line. Do not ride, you're going to ride into the corner. You get to A. A is a 20-meter circle at A. So from there on, until you get back to A, you do not ride deep into a corner.